Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a shared story on Snapchat. Connect and collaborate with your friends through shared moments using these step-by-step instructions. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account. Tap on your avatar or profile picture located at the top left of the screen to access your profile settings. Select New Shared Story to begin the process of creating a shared story that you can enjoy with others. Tap Content to move forward with creating your shared story. Choose who you want to be able to view your shared story from the provided options. Once you've selected your desired audience, tap Create Story to proceed with the creation process. Give your shared story a meaningful name that captures the essence of the moments you'll share together. After naming your shared story, tap Save to confirm the details and finalize the creation of your shared story. By following these steps, you can easily create a shared story on Snapchat and invite friends to contribute to and enjoy the shared experience together. Thank you for watching this guide on how to create a shared story on Snapchat. Strengthen connections and share moments with friends through collaborative storytelling on Snapchat. Customize your shared story experience by naming and saving your shared stories, making them easily accessible to your selected audience. Enjoy a more engaging and interactive storytelling journey with your friends through shared stories on Snapchat.